By looking at the position of observer, it is mentioned with the arrow and the letter X. So observer looking at the object from the right side. So according to that, the length is 40 millimeter, height 50, and width becomes 30. As far as the position of views are concerned, your front view above XY line, top view below XY line as per first angle projection method. And for your side view, you are going to look at the object from the left side. So as per first angle projection method, you will get that side view, left hand side view on right of your front view. Okay, so let's start with the getting the boundaries for front view, top view, and the side view. So I will start with the line. Just a minute. We have to think about the maximum dimensions. Suppose here the length is length and the height. Height is the maximum one as far as the LSW is concerned. So height, we want the distance above XY line bit more than the distance below XY line, because your width is just 30 millimeter. Okay. Okay. So we'll get the XY line first, then we'll draw two more lines at a distance of 10 to 15 millimeter from XY line, away from XY line. This yellow color line is XY line. Okay. Then I will draw line. Now, in this case, suppose if I take suppose 15 millimeter from XY line, okay, 15, 20, 10 to 20, you can take any distance. Okay. So means that you can have optimum utilization of your paper or space available. Okay. Then one more line, I will take it. So in your manual drawing, it is quite simple. You have a measurement by that distance and then 10, 15. And one more thing you should remember, if the distance of line above XY line is suppose 10 and below XY line suppose get 20, it doesn't make the difference in your answer. Okay, everything is right. But we try to take the uniform distance. Okay, so its look will be fine. Okay. Yeah. So as we know that your side view will be coming on the right side of your front view. So you can start your boundary of your front view from the very left side. Okay. From left side. Okay. So get one, go to line and take one point here. Suppose if I select this as a first point, then I'll be taking 40 millimeter. So in manual drawing, you should take it accordingly. Height becomes 50, so I'll be taking 50, and in manual drawing you'll be taking it with the help of you can say a scale, and just close it. Okay, so this is what the boundary of your front view, 40 by 50. Okay, so suppose if I choose this green color for this, okay, or I will make it bit lighter one so that it will not affect or it will not dominate the okay, leave it. I will make it black. Okay, is it visible to you? Hello?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then front view, after front view you should get the boundary for top view. So top view, so you can take a projection from here, from this point you should take 30 millimeter because 30 is the width. Then 40 millimeter is the length, 40, and then again width. You can make it likewise, even though you can take the projection. Okay, you can show it like this, and then I'm converting it to the black color so that you can easily recognize the boundary. Okay, so this is nothing but the boundary for your top view. Okay, then go to line from here at a distance of suppose again 10 to 15 millimeters, suppose. Okay, you should get the line, not an issue, both you should take it. Okay, so this line becomes the x1 y1 line, where that third plane, axially vertical plane, or we can say profile plane, that intersects with the xy line. The intersection point, you can say suppose O point. We are not going to name, and even though naming is not required, then I will be going to the line. From intersection, I will draw the line at an angle of 45 degree. So you got the line inclined at an angle of 45 degree. So complete this. Suppose if you want to mark the angle, select line, second line, and I will get the angle here. Okay. Then suppose you can make it in a different color. Right. Okay, so yeah, so now you can take the projections from front view and the top view, and you'll get the line here. Suppose if you are not getting it, you can cross this 45 degree line, and then you take the projection from this line as well. Okay, from top and the bottom, and then take projection from this intersection of one of the point of your width. Get it? You can make. So in manual drawing, you can supposed to take the very perfect at the horizontal line. Okay, so now if I redraw a line here, I will select this line, and I will convert it into black boundaries, black color. Okay, so this is what the boundary for front view, top view, and the side view. I hope most of you have done it.
Sir, could you repeat the height?
Height is 50 millimeter, right? Height 50. So this is what it is given.
I just couldn't see that 50 height completely.
but just now I did the change. Just I have just moved the screen. Okay, so that's why earlier it was visible to you. Okay, so this
Thank you.
height 50. Okay, right. Okay, so height is 50, length is 40 millimeter, width 30 millimeter. It is there. Okay, so then see, you have to add the surfaces visible to you. See, when you are looking from this end, see this 5 millimeter edge, it is visible. Then height by 3 millimeter vertical one, so it is just like this one you are going to see. Okay, and then this, and then completely this edge of 30 millimeter height, it is visible to you. Okay, as well as from when looking from this end, see this curved surface, that is also seen as a straight line for this edge. This one, whatever the curve or straight one, they are going to be visible from front view along with this circle. Okay, so this what, okay, suppose if we name the surface like suppose 1, 2, and suppose in addition if you mark suppose this circle as 3. Okay, so this complete one surface, so if I mark the lines here, you can easily understand from here that this is what the surface is visible to you. I'm just highlighting it with the sectional line here, just inclined line. Okay, all right, so this surface is visible to you. Okay, as well as this one, your circle is visible but it's a hollow one. Okay, so I'm not going to take those lines here. I hope you understood what exactly is visible from the front view side, right? So if it is visible to you, then you go to line, take one point at corner, means in AutoCAD, and with manual drawing, you just go to this point. From here, you take a 5 millimeter, then you should go 3 millimeter. Then total length is 50. So at the end, these steps are of 5 millimeter length. So it remaining will be the 30. Okay, so 30 millimeter. You take a line and then go down by again 3 millimeter, and then reach to this corner. Okay, so you will get, suppose if I convert it into this color, okay, so you can notice the change. Okay, so this short, the section which I have mentioned here, visible to you from this end. Okay, then go to line, take a line equal to 30 millimeter. Okay, 30, it is visible. Then from 30, this line is completely visible to you. Draw it, then this vertical line. Okay, right. See what I am going to show here. This is going to be visible to you. Okay, so this edge, this one, this one. So these three edges I have added here, right? So lengthwise and height wise. Okay. From bottom, it's a 30. Okay. Now, even this surface is visible, right? So till top, you take it, then at the top 10 millimeter and the slot of 20 millimeter, and again this step 10 millimeter. So we'll take it accordingly. So select, go take a line from this point to this point, then 10 millimeter on this side, 10 millimeter. Sorry. Then 20 millimeter. Depth is 10 millimeter, right? Sorry, 12. Depth is 12. Length is 20. And then you'll be going to top. And this remain is 10 millimeter and get it close. Okay. So if I convert it to the color, okay, so I'll make it the red color. Yes. So this shot visible to you, okay, in front of you. And now we have to add this circle here, okay. And how we'll get the circle? See, okay, see, this circle is at a distance of, means it is exactly at the center. So 15 millimeter from the bottom, and as it is shown with the center line, it means it's a symmetrical one. Exactly at the center, it is there. Okay. So from that point of view, we're supposed to draw the center line first. From here, go to 20 millimeter, and then get or you can say take 20 okay, and then okay, then from here at a distance of from here at distance of 15 millimeter, you get the center point, and you can get the center line. Okay, so this is going to give the center of circle. Okay, now you go to circle, go to center of this one, and take a radius. Radius of circle is of 7.5. So I will say 7.5 is the diameter is 15 millimeter. Okay, so you will get the circle here. Okay. So get the circle, a center of circle means center of this 30 millimeter height face and 40 millimeter length face, and you will get the center point where you have to take the draw the circle. Okay, isn't it? So once you complete this, now the complete front view. Now you have to think about the getting your top view. Okay, so for top view, do one thing. First of all, take the projections from this line. Each point initially, because as you are a beginner, so if you take suppose projections from each point from your front view to top view, even though throughout its width, no problem, you can take it take the projection from this also. Okay, even though you can take the project but from circle itself, but we'll think on this later on. Okay, so first of all we have to get the top surface surface visible to you. So like suppose if I go for annotation, see, if I say surface number 1, 2, 3 and this 4. Okay, see in top view 1, 2, 3, 4 is visible, right? So accordingly you start taking this edges, marking the edges one by one. So first of all, what I will do, I will get the surface 1. Okay, I will get, how I will get it? I'll by taking the projection. I already got it. This, then I will take 10 millimeter down. Then I will be taking, okay, and I will closing. So I got surface 1, then surface 3. So from this corner, 10 millimeter, then 10 millimeter down, because it's a 10 by 10, right? 10 millimeter in length and 10 millimeter in width. Okay, so at the same time, when you're looking from this end, this edge is visible. Surface 2, this will be visible to you. Okay, so whatever the length 20 and width, how much you will get it, we don't know. Okay, so that part will keep it remain. Okay, and later on we'll take it because it's a curved surface. Okay, but surely one edge which is visible to you, that will take. So draw this line. Okay, at the same time this complete edge is visible to you till bottom, then completely this one, yes, and this. Okay, so if I select, in manual drawing you have to make it dark. Okay, even this edge is completely visible to you. Okay, so this sort the top view according to the things which those can be completed easily. Okay, so we'll stop with this top view right now, and add some addition we'll do it later. Okay, then about the side view. For side view, okay, let me clear all those drawings first. Okay, when you are looking from the side view, this surface is completely visible to you, right? Okay, so this complete surface is visible to you. So like this edge, this one, bottom edge, this vertical edge, okay, and this arc. Okay, so it is visible to you. So let's take it from here. Draw a line vertical because it is completely visible. Then take it 10 millimeter. Okay, then from bottom complete edge is visible, then up to 30 millimeter you can go up 30. Okay, that's it. Okay, now after this 30, total height is 50 and the radius of this one is 22.5. Okay, 22.5 is the radius. Okay, so let's check how much distance remain. Otherwise you have to have an intersection from this point at a distance. Suppose if I take it 22.5, or intersection of this 25, 22, 22.5, you can take it. Okay, so suppose if I just leave it. In manual drawing you can do it easily. Okay, so for me here, what I'm going to do, here I will drawing radius 22.5. okay, let it be. Then I will be taking one more circle from here, because instead of taking r, if I'll take it 22.5. okay, and the intersection of this just a minute, intersection of these two circle is going to give the point of center point for taking that r. Okay, so this is what the intersection point for this one. Okay, then you go for the arc. So start end, radius, center, start, end. So suppose if you choose center, start, end. So suppose center is this one, start is this one, and end is this one. Okay, so we'll get the arc here. So suppose if I make it, then we can convert it to this color. Okay, so this again you're supposed to take it. Okay, so by following these certain steps you can easily do it. Okay, so I hope that you might have understood why I did this intersection. But in your manual drawing, you just take 22.5 in a compass, keep at this end, and have arc like this. Okay, you need not even draw the circle. Okay, so even now I can even delete these circles, because no need to keep it. Okay, so now in side view, you can take a line or the projection from here. Okay, you can take the projection from here. Then okay, so this is what the line which you will get, then that will not be visible to you, right? So see, from this end, this slot means in terms of this edge, it is not visible to you, or the edge passing through this point is not visible. So that line is going to be the hidden line. At the same time, this circle, thorough circle, looking from the visible from the front view, is not visible in side view. So edges passing from top and the bottom of circle has to be shown with the dotted line. Okay, so for that you have to take the projections. Take the projection from here. Sorry, take projections and see, in manual drawing you will get the complete line in a one go. Whether it is going beyond line, no matter. Okay, but as these three edges are not visible, this one, this one, this one, so you have to convert it, this line, or final drawing through that will be the dotted line. Okay, so you have to take the dotted line. Okay. Okay. So you will get the dotted lines. So just I will be converting this dotted line. Suppose I will make it with the different color. Okay. So you can easily notice where the dotted lines are visible. Okay. Even though from here I will be drawing one line. And this line is going to be the center line. Okay. Similarly, in top view, when you're looking at the object from the top view, see, when you're looking from this top view, this is not visible, means the edges passing through these two points are not visible to you. So that's why you have to take these lines also with the dotted line. But first of all, you have to draw the line. Okay. Yeah. So see, the line passing through this edge in top view and from this one, not visible to you, but it will be throughout its width. So we're supposed to take the projections from this point through this and continue. Okay. Take line once again from the another end and continue. Okay. Now I will convert this line into dotted line. Okay. So that dotted line is nothing but the dash line. Even though I will continue with center line. So you assume that you hear the red and the green color lines, all those are important lines, but to make the difference between continuous line and the dotted line, I use the different color here. Okay. Then one more line you can add in it. Again, I have to think what is visible or not. Yeah. So one more thing is left. See, from the sorry. So let me show you. So in top view, what will be the position of, what will be this length? We don't know. It is not even given. But through reference, by taking it from the side view, by taking the projection from front view to side view, you will get this point and take the projection from that point, go to 45-degree inclined line and take it horizontal. You will come to know the position of that point. Okay, so I'm going to do it here. Just a minute. So I will be taking the projection from this intersection point. Sorry, I will be going to line. This intersection, I'll be, okay. Then I'll be taking the distance from here. So suppose, then I know that now I can extend it further. Then I will take it to this and I will join it. Now I can easily get this line. Sorry. I will drawing this line from this. Okay. Let me select this. Then I can convert it into red line. Okay. Now It's a complete front view and the top view. Only I have to make center lines. So for center lines, I will be going to load. I have to choose some center lines here. Suppose if I choose this one. Let's check whether it works or not. Okay. Now I'll be going to use this line into center line. Okay. So we're getting the center line here. Okay. And I will convert these center lines into another color. Okay. Now this is the complete answer for your given problem. Okay. Now it's time to give the dimensions to your figure. So for that,
Sir, there will be a slot on the bottom also, right? In the side view.
yeah, absolutely right. Yes, you rightly notice this. Okay, see, this slot is not visible. Even in both, who forget to take that slot is to discussion. Okay, so slot, I will annotate it. See, this slot, this one, not visible in top view, not visible in side view. Okay, so for that, what I have to do, I have to take the projection. Already here I have taken the projection for this, just like suppose this one, this line. Okay, what I will do now, just a minute. For this one, I'll just going to stretch it back. Okay, so why it is so? Because now I have to, okay, sorry, so I will stretch it. Okay. Then I will draw a line. Okay, then even the projection which I already taken it right from the beginning. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so for this one, okay, then I will select this line. Even first of all, I will convert into this color. Then I'll be going to select the dotted line. So in manual drawing, you're supposed to do it as usual. Okay, so dotted line, then take a projection from this one, take it further, and from here you draw line. Select this line, convert into this, then convert into dashed line. So maybe this one. Okay, this will be the appropriate one. I think for this case again we have to choose the, okay, now it's perfect, complete now. Okay, so this way you'll get the answer. Then you have to give the dimensions. Like suppose for this I will be taking it 10. Your dimensions wherever you can. So in manual drawing, you have to make sure that there must, dimensions. This point, it's perfect. So possibly taking a line, then your height. This one is 30, of course. Then the total Okay, but the total distance is 50. The way it is given in a pictorial view is similar kind. You just follow, so you will not be confused in that case. So even for this, take the distance. Okay. Take a distance in terms of this depth is 12. Okay. So this width is 30. So length 60, height 50, width 30. Okay. Then this distance 10 already we have marked. Okay. The remaining things already there. The only thing is that you should take this distance and mark it here. Sorry, forget. Just sorry. Let me. Okay. So go to dimensions. Take this 10 millimeter. Okay. So okay. So in this way, the dimensional part is over.